Good morning, guys. 6 o'clock in the morning. I am day of today, but I'm going to I'm going to see the sunrise. Yeah, yesterday I saw it at work and it looks very nice. Yeah, the sun is reflecting the sunshine to the water. Yesterday was really very bright, amazing. Yeah, today I'm going to see it. They have this takeaway coffee cup that I bought from Aldi. Yeah, so now I can go to outside having this coffee. The birds are running very early. No, flying, man. Yeah, the birds are flying very early. You can hear the noise. Yeah, and this is it. This is the sunrise. This is the sunrise. Yeah, nice color, mate. I don't know why it's not taking the focus. Yeah, we're waiting for the sun to rise up. It looks beautiful. I saw it yesterday. So I'm just going to keep the camera open and we'll see how it looks like, really. Yeah, I have my other camera. I'm going to use the GoPro Hero 5 for the time lapse because the battery of this camera doesn't last long. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, it's like 45 minutes of time lapse, and I can't. It hurts already when you look in there. It hurts to the eyes. So we are going now. That's really beautiful. Amazing. I've noticed that there's a lot of people. They are parking their car and they are walking along the shoreline of the beach. Kumakatok sa aking pintuan, muling naghahanap ng makakausap. At heto naman ako, nakikinig sa mga kwento. Good afternoon, guys. The sun is starting to set down there. Yeah, I just eat here in KFC, and I eat the same food that I ate 2 days ago, the honey pepper lunch, the $5 one. Yeah, this time they give me 3 pieces of chicken. Nice. Yeah, we're standing by here because I just noticed that I ran out of internet connection. I lost the internet connection. I don't know why. Yeah, look, the sun is setting down there. Yeah, nice. There's a lot of small boat. Yeah, these are a small boat. They are not yacht. Yeah. Yeah, I am wondering why I ran out of internet connection. I lost the internet connection. Now I know. Yeah, because this one runs out of battery. Or maybe it is broken already. I don't know, mate. Okay, we go home. But I am thinking of just wait for that sunset. Because it looks good in here. With those boats, with the clouds. I think it is going to be an amazing sunset today. Okay, but the time now is just 4:30, and the sunset today is it says that the sunset is 4:56 and the time now is around 4:30. So we'll wait for that sunset. We'll just put this camera here. Yeah, that's it. I don't think the sun is going to show more. Yeah, it is already covered with clouds. So it is time to go home now. Yeah. Look at this. A lot of birds here. Maybe the people there, they feed these birds. Look. They're everywhere in here. Going up here is a little bit of challenge. Yeah. This is a one way. On the other side, there, the other lane. Guys, good afternoon. Going home now. The same like always, right? Yeah, today in the kitchen, one of my colleague, a lady one, got a new tattoo just behind the ear. Yeah, I asked him how much is it. She said it's $100, and she told me that her boyfriend also got a tattoo in the full hand, and it's $400. Yeah, she said that it's almost her 1 week salary. I am wondering how much is their salary for 1 week. I also heard one of my colleagues before, the lady one, the older one. She said that she got $600 last week. Good afternoon. I don't know how much is their salary, but last time I heard she is paid $30 per hour. I don't know. I'm confused. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm home now. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm curious about the salary of the, of my colleague, of the people here in Australia. Look at outside. It looks very quiet. Not windy. There's some clouds. I hope that it is not going to rain because I'm going to do my laundry tomorrow. Yeah, here I am checking the the salary here in Australia. So in this website, this is abcnet.au, minimum wage. How does Australia compare to other countries? Yeah. So the weekly salary of for the minimum wage here in Australia is 672.70 per week. Yeah, so compared to other country, so basically the rate per hour here in Australia is 17.70. That's the minimum. In United Kingdom, 14.66. All this is in Australian dollar. In New Zealand is 14.22. In France, 14.98. In Germany, 13.17. In Canada, 13.81. In United States of America, 10.08. And then in Mexico, 5.50 per hour. In China, 3.93 per hour. In Brazil, 341.16 per month. That is per month, 341.16 per month. In India, is 7.44 per day. 7.44 per day. I don't know how much is that in rupee. I'm not sure. 361. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so it means that the salary here in Australia is much bigger, I mean much higher compared to the other country. The cost of living here in Australia is a bit expensive, but things are affordable, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Ciao.